Hey everyone, so today I'm coming to you with a new tutorial. Today we're going to be doing the T Gusset. The T Gusset is used when holding VersaFrames from the exterior edge to the interior of the chassis. So this is the T Gusset. Yeah, there's not really much to it. It's same as the L Gusset, just with a side right here. So enough chit-chatting and let's go. I want to start a new sketch and want this to be the same XY plane, and want to use the line tool. Here we want to start off with a vertical length of 2.25 inches. Okay, you want to click that and want a horizontal length of 1.25 inches. You want a length up that goes 1 inch. You want to go a horizontal length that goes 3.5 inches. And another one that goes 1 inch. Another horizontal length that goes 1.25 inches. And then all the way down to 2.25 inches. And then we want to finish off with a 1 inch. So once we've done that, I want to extrude the T Gusset. I want this T Gusset to have the side length of 0, or not a side length, extrusion of 0.09 inches. And boom. And like always, we're going to modify the physical material because it's always better to work with a lighter surface. And we want to pick the materials aluminum 5052 under the metal file. Where is it? Ah, much better. So then want to get want to create a new sketch on the top. Then we want to create a point, and then click wherever. Again, then we're going to dimension this. Want this point from this side to be 0.25. Then we want this point to be 0.5. Now that we're done with that, we could finish sketch. And we're going to go to hole. We want the diameter to be 0.164. And we want our depth to be 0.09 to penetrate all through. And we want to go to our rectangular pattern, and then we want to move our view cube so we could see the interior. We want to pick that. Distance type to spacing. We want the direction to be this top line. So we're going to want 7 holes that are spaced 0.5 inches apart. And once we're done with that, we click enter, and now we have our top holes like that. So now we want our bottom holes. So I'm going to create another sketch on this top plane right here. And we're going to click S to find our point. Click wherever, it doesn't matter. We're going to dimension. We want this side to be 0.5. And we want this side to be 0.25. Now we want to finish sketch. We want our hole. It should be the same. If it's not, just change it to 0.164 inches in diameter and a depth of 0.09 inches. Once we're done with that, we want to go to our rectangular pattern. Select the direction. We want this direction. And we want 5 holes that span 0.5 inches. Boom. Now that we're done with that, we want our fillet to be 0.25 inches. So want to zoom in here, you want to shift click here, and then you want to shift click here, 0.25 inches. Boom. And now we're going to do our chamfer. So I want to click this edge, shift click this edge, just rotate, shift click here, shift click here, and then rotate here, shift click, and shift click. And we want this chamfer to measure 0.12. And that is it with the T Gusset. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials.